Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding trauma shears is probably one of the most crucial tools you can have in your medical kit or everyday carry. These shears are designed for rapid and effective cutting through clothing, bandages, and other materials in emergency situations. They are compact, foldable, and built to withstand tough conditions, making them a reliable choice for professionals and anyone who values preparedness. Number 5. Leatherman Raptor Rescue 6-in-1 Emergency Shears. For 40 years, Leatherman has been helping people overcome challenges. This tool empowers users to transform everyday problems into triumphant moments. Built in Portland, Oregon, this multi-tool is made to last. It's backed by a 25-year warranty, reflecting the innovation of the founder. Designed with input from emergency professionals, this tool is easy to carry. The shears lock when holstered, allowing for quick access. It includes a carbide glass breaker for emergencies. There is also a strap and ring cutter for rescue situations. This tool is ready for action. From critical situations to daily fixes, this tool helps tackle problems. It works great as emergency response shears, industrial shears, and more. What we like. This Leatherman is built to last, embodying innovation and perseverance. It includes a carbide glass breaker and strap cutter for enhanced rescue capabilities. If you are looking for a reliable tool for both critical situations and daily fixes, you should consider this one. What people say. They fold up to a nice compact size. He loves how easily they fold and release. The scissor blades are ultra sharp, and I really appreciate how it folds down into a tight package and comes with its own holster. Number 4. Surviveware Trauma Shears for Nurses, EMTs, First Aid. These shears are designed to cut through almost anything, but not skin. The blunt tip makes it safe to cut through clothing without causing harm. They can cut through gauze, bandages, denim, and even seat belts. Strong blades are essential in emergencies. These shears feature patented Japanese steel for sharpness. A protective coating prevents adhesives from sticking, and serrations allow for easy cutting. Emergency personnel trust these shears because they are reliable and reusable. The durable design allows for autoclaving at 143 degrees, and the ergonomic handles provide comfort during use. These shears are highly rated by professionals. Whether you're a trainee or an experienced professional, make sure you have the right tools. This is the tool you can rely on. These superior shears are strong enough to cut through a combat application tourniquet, wet or dry bandages, and even pennies. Watch the video to see these top-of-the-line blades in action. What we like. These shears are designed with sharp, Japanese stainless steel blades, ensuring effortless cutting. The blades are also protected with a fluoride coating. If you are a medical professional who needs a reliable and sterilizable tool, this is the one for you. What people say. These shears are awesome, I've already used them, for things I probably shouldn't have, and they work great, take abuse and are still ready for the real emergency. They really do cut through a lot of tough things. These seem to work well. They are nice and sharp for what I will be using them for, and don't have to worry when trying to cut bandages off my grandson. The shears seem like they are nicely made, not flimsy. I tried pulling them apart to see if they were loose, and they seem to very tight. The handles seem to have plenty of room for finger grasping, for man or women. Number 3. 6-in-1 Emergency Shears with Penlight. This multi-tool is packed with features, including folding scissors, a seatbelt cutter, a ring cutter, and a glass breaker. It's a must-have for emergencies and everyday tasks. The shears are lightweight and foldable for easy carrying. You can attach them to a lanyard or keep them in your pocket. The included sheath allows for convenient belt carry. These medical scissors are trusted by professionals. They can cut through almost anything. The ring cutter is especially useful in emergency situations. Whether you're a medic or a nurse, you'll find it invaluable. This kit includes the multipurpose shears, a sheath, 2 medical penlights, and batteries. The penlight is ideal for pupil assessment and general illumination. It's an essential tool for any medical kit. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this tool is built to last. It's durable, wear-resistant, and won't rust or fade. It's also a great gift for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or adventure. What we like. This product offers a 6-in-1 functionality, including a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker. It is foldable for easy portability and storage. If you are a paramedic or RN looking for a versatile and compact tool, it is a great choice. What people say. The shears are very sharp and cut through everything I have used them on. The folding design is very compact and easy to carry. The shears have a good grip and are easy to use. Number 2. Leatherman Raptor Response Emergency Shears, Navy. This is the Leatherman Raptor Response, designed for medical professionals. It has the necessary tools to handle emergency situations. When survival is on the line, this tool answers loud and clear. The Raptor Response features a more compact design. It has sleek and comfortable handles, and a removable pocket clip. This means your emergency tool is always on hand. This tool is equipped with 4 essential tools. These include folding 420HC stainless steel emergency response shears, a ring cutter, a ruler, and an oxygen tank wrench. This compact and versatile multi-tool can be easily carried. You can slide it into your pocket, clip it to your scrubs, or attach it to a lanyard. We are proud to stand behind every product. That's why we offer a 25-year warranty. You can be confident that this Leatherman will last a lifetime. What we like. This Leatherman features a more compact design with essential tools like a ring cutter and oxygen tank wrench. It is designed for simple and safe access. If you are a medical professional who needs a slim and versatile multi-tool, you should consider this one. What people say. Durable, strong, great in an emergency. Worked as advertised. Number 1. Madison Lefthand Black Stainless Steel Medical Scissors. These medical scissors are made with premium stainless steel. The fluoride-coated blades ensure longevity and effortless cutting of various materials. These 7.5-inch shears feature deep serrations. They provide precise cutting performance on bandages, clothes, or tough materials. It's ideal for both everyday and emergency use. These bandage scissors are essential tools for medical professionals. They provide reliable performance in critical situations for doctors, nurses, and EMTs. The blunt tip enhances patient protection. The autoclavable design withstands sterilization up to 290 degrees Fahrenheit. This is ideal for maintaining the cleanliness of these medical shears. These surgical scissors feature thick, serrated blades. They can easily cut through rope, clothing, and plastic. They are designed for swift and efficient patient care. What we like. These medical scissors are made with premium stainless steel and high-impact handles. They are designed for effortless cutting of various materials. If you like a reliable performance in critical situations, this is the one for you. What people say. These scissors are some rough and tumble, cut through some stuff that you would think no way. Whole roll of gauze, right through it. Their sharp stainless steel blades cut through tough materials with ease, while the non-stick coating ensures smooth operation, even with adhesive substances. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precision and control during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.